Welcome to the Ultimate MetaSounds Reference Guide, Dynamics Part 2. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the decibels to linear gain and linear gain to decibels nodes. Because these nodes have similar functions, although opposites of each other, we'll be taking a look at both of these nodes at the same time. They are both conversion nodes and do exactly as their name suggests. This node converts decibels into a linear gain, and this node converts a linear gain into decibels. This is important because gain and decibels are not a one-to-one conversion. This is because decibels are not linear, but rather logarithmic. To make things easier, I provided a list of conversions on the screen. To see the full list of videos in this reference guide, click the link to the playlist in the description below.